We're dog parents. Of course we have a special language with our dog that you don't understand. We're dog parents. Of course we're gonna freak out and think our dog is dying. Take him to the vet and spend about $2,500 just to find out they have a stomach ache. We're dog parents. Of course we let our babies pick out whatever they want to wear.
Oh, you look so pretty. You look so pretty.
We're dog parents. Of course we only feed the best to our babies. We're dog parents. Of course we have pictures of our babies framed all over our house. We're dog parents. They're our kids, and we love them so much.